Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the wonderful world of mushrooms. These incredible fungi aren't just a simple vegetable, they're packed with amazing flavor and a fantastic texture. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, learning a few key techniques can transform your mushroom dishes. They truly add a special touch to so many meals. Before you start cooking, proper preparation is key. Many people think you should wash mushrooms, but they're like little sponges and will soak up too much water. This makes them soggy when you cook them, which we definitely want to avoid. Just give them a quick, gentle wipe with a damp cloth or a brush and trim off any really tough parts of the stem. For truly delicious mushrooms, sautéing is your best friend. Heat your pan to medium-high with a touch of oil or butter, then add your mushrooms in a single layer. Resist the urge to overcrowd the pan because that will just steam them. Let them cook undisturbed for a few minutes, stirring only occasionally, and you'll get a fantastic depth of flavor. While sautéing is fantastic, don't limit yourself. Roasting mushrooms is another wonderful way to cook them, especially larger ones like portobellos. Just toss them with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast until tender and slightly caramelized. Grilling also adds a beautiful smoky flavor and a nice char. Experiment with these different techniques to find your favorite ways to enjoy mushrooms. To keep your mushrooms fresh for longer, store them in a paper bag in the refrigerator. This helps absorb excess moisture. Once cooked, they'll last a few days in an airtight container. Now, how to use them? Toss them into a savory stir-fry, fold them into a fluffy omelet, or simply enjoy them as a flavorful side dish. There are so many delicious possibilities to explore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.